Want ChatGPT to sound more friendly and personable? Here's how to adjust the warm characteristic on your Android device. Open the ChatGPT app. Tap the menu icon to open the sidebar. Tap your profile name at the bottom. And then tap Personalization. Tap Add Characteristics. Choose warm from the list. You will see three options: more, default, and less. Select more to make ChatGPT respond in a friendlier and more personable. After selecting more, tap the back button to return to the personalization page. Once you are back on the personalization screen, tap the check icon to save your change. If you then return to the personalization page, the check icon will not appear and the setting won't be applied. Once saved, ChatGPT will use a warmer tone with more expressive and conversational responses. The setting is great for casual chat, brainstorming ideas, storytelling, or when you prefer a more human-like interaction. That's it. ChatGPT is now set to a more friendly and personable style on your Android device. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.